Today I'm going to be showing you how I bloom on this cute trinket tray and then on this lovely coaster. So stay tuned. Welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have one of those tray molds and I'm excited to try and do a 3D bloom on it. I have mixed up 6 ounces of resin, which might be a little too much for what I want to do for the first layer, but it's my first time, so I don't know. I put a little bit in this little thingy. I am planning to use Artfinity alcohol ink in Sunburst and yellow ochre. And then I also have Mojito alcohol ink by Ranger. And the Mojito is gonna go in there. The Starburst one and the yellow ochre are gonna go in here. And I'm going to be using, of course, Julie's bloom paste. I've decanted about 1 ounce, 30 grams of resin in here, and I'm gonna put 3 drops of Julie's bloom paste in. So it's 1 drop per 10 grams. Ooh. Let's pour actually this in here now. So that any bubbles can get out. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to fish bubbles out for sure. How much that was. Let's see. I think I've got about 2 ounces of resin left. So I'll do something else with that. Okay. I'm gonna mix up my bloom paste a little bit here. That's what my stick looks like. And the transparency of my white. Should be good. Thinking I'm gonna move this forward. I'm gonna get another coaster. All right, let's not waste resin. Almost forgot what I was doing here. Okay, I need the white. What was this one? Sunburst. Put 2 there. And yellow ochre here. I'm gonna do 3 in there and ooh, that spread nicely. All right, get my white. That one didn't spread as much. What was that one? Starburst. I'll put another one in. Another couple. now I'm gonna do this. I think that's it. We're back. They're cured. So excited to see what they look like. I love that you can do resin in a day, especially when you got a heat mat. All right, this is a little more challenging to get out just because there are multiple levels. Okay, I'm trying to keep it so we don't see it. There's the mold. Let's get this one out. So excited. Been putting it off. Like, scared to see. All right, which one should we open first? Let's do this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I'm surprised. The green leaves didn't show up at all. Barely. There's just a couple areas where it showed up. How interesting. Wow. Had some bubbles on the surface there too, but that is really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, that's that one. Okay, now this one. 1, 2, 3. Wow. My fave. My fave, hands down. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And the green, you can see it. Wow, the color didn't really come out too much in these, but check it out. That is really pretty. After, really focusing on trying to get the bubbles out, there are a lot of bubbles in there, which is a bit of a shame, but this is stunning. Stunning. I love them both. Love them both. Okay, what are your thoughts? I think I actually did Nayanik proud with these ones. Gotta say. That one's really good. This one's really good too. I mean, they're both woo! Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Look in between. How you can see the layers, but you can also see all those darn bubbles. That is so cool. So freaking cool. Okay. I'm excited. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate you. Thank you to all my subscribers, my returning viewers. It means the world to me. Please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It means the world to me. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.